One thing that you'll probably want to do is spend some time customizing the look of your site. So this video is going to show you a few things about how to do that. There's a button up here in the right corner that says More. The first thing I want to show you, in case you're a little nervous that you'll mess something up, is this revision history. You can click on that and you can see I've made a few changes to this site as I've put it together. At any point in time, you can click to go back to another version of the site. So don't be afraid to play around with it and make it reflect whatever you want it to reflect. Anyway, the More button, you're going to want to go down to Manage Site, and that's going to bring you here. And over here on the left-hand side are all of the areas where you can do different things to change the look of your site or how it functions. One spot you might want to look at right away is themes. These are preset themes that you can click on and make your site look however you want it to look. Right here, it's very easy. So for example, Schoolhouse, you can click on that right there, and you can preview the site in Schoolhouse. And I don't care for that, so I'm not going to do that. My site, I want to leave this page. My site has been customized by going to Colors and Fonts. And if you go to Colors and Fonts, you will see all of the component pieces of a web page right here. You've got background color, background image, the wrapper, the font, the color of the links, the site title, font, all of this kind of stuff, the fonts, the colors, the sizes, the background images for all of the different parts, the content area, the header, the wrapper, everything like that. So if you want to really customize your site, you don't want to use one of the preset themes, this is where you would go right here, Colors and Fonts. Also, Site Layout is where you go to change a lot of things about your site. If you hit if you hit Change Site Layout, you're presented with a number of options here. You can set how large the header is. You can add or remove the sidebar. You can pick whether that's on the right or left-hand side. You can add horizontal navigation bars. You can add footers. You can change how large your site appears. Everything like that you set right here in the site layout area. If you click Change Logo right there, the default logo was that Richland 2 logo, which I didn't want on my site, so I elected no logo. And really what you can do is just play around in this area and click on these things and make your site look the way you want it to look. But again, don't be afraid, because you can always come back to your revision history and click back to how you had the site 5 minutes ago before you did whatever you just did, and you can undo it very easily.